Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are in the mechanicals room and we are talking about furnace filters. Now, one question that we get all of the time is whether or not high-performance furnace filters should be used on a forced air heating and cooling system. The most important thing for any forced air system is airflow. If you don't have the proper airflow, you're not going to have a system that's running efficiently and properly. We're going to take a look at a high-performance furnace filter. Once we pull it out, you can see all the particulate that this furnace filter has collected. There's pollen and pet dander and dust mites and all sorts of other yucky things that this furnace filter has pulled out of the air. So it's much healthier for the home and for the people inside the home to use a high-performance filter. Now the thing is, you have to make sure, if you go that route, that you're changing your filter on a regular basis. And during heavy usage months, like in the middle of winter or the middle of summer, this means that you may have to change the furnace filter on a monthly basis. So if you're going the route of using a high-performance filter, just check in with your HVAC professional to make sure that your system is compatible to use those high-performance filters. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.